Hello friends, welcome to Orbaic Foundation. Today in this video I'm going to explain you how to register and sign up using this Orbaic Miner application. Friends, before I start I need to tell you that before 2007 you never knew what Bitcoin was. No one was even accepting this token for free. But right now this Bitcoin, its value is around 100,000. Just recently the market value went down, but still it is around $80,000. So now let's go to Play Store and download this application, and step by step I will show you how to install the application. First of all, you need to go to Play Store and search Orbaic Miner. Just type ORBAIC. After you type, just search it and you'll find this application here over, you can see on the screen, Orbaic Miner. Just click on install. So friends, you need to understand the supply and demand in order to understand why the value of a particular coin is very high. Basically, Bitcoin has been distributed and held by many of these users. Usually people buy from exchanges and they hold it. The reason why the value is very high, so the main reason is mass adoption. The more and more people adopt this coin, the more and more the value of a particular coin would be high. So right now the coin is in development stage. The reason why the foundation team has decided to give this coin free of cost to all these users who are mining this application daily and spreading it as a part of initial coin offering and marketing program. So right now let's show you how to register this application. First of all, install this and open this application. After you open, you can see the interface would be like this. Just allow. You can see the interface just like this. Just go to sign up option. You'll find the sign up option at the bottom right now. So just drag it down and you see a sign up option. Click on there. After you see sign up, just allow everything and grant all the permission for this application to access your information. Well, you can trust this application and there is nothing private information that is going to get leaked from this application, and all the genuine apps have the same procedure. And just go forward and fill up all these details that you can see over here. Okay, right now let's fill up this information for you and I will show you how to do this registration. So friends, in the full name I'm gonna type demo app, but you should type your complete full name as per your official document, because end of the day they would ask you for doing the KYC. So the name should match with your official document so that these coins can be credited to your mainnet wallet. So just fill up the details right now. Filling up phone number is not mandatory. Just you need to fill up your email ID, your password. So I have entered my password and the same password I have entered here, and after that I have to check out this box. Here it says I accept all terms and conditions of Orbaic. After you finish filling up all this information, just click on register. Okay, so right now it's not going forward because I would need to add a mobile number. So let's add a mobile number. So I've just simply added one mobile number. It's not mine, by the way, and I'm gonna click on register. So make sure if you're using a mobile number, you should be correct one, because some days if you lost your wallet, you need to log out. You need to log into your account using the same credentials you have entered during the sign up process. So what you have to do right now, you can see here there is a captcha. So you have to click on this arrow and slide it to the right option until you fill up these empty boxes. So after you finish this, you can see your account has been registered already. So there is one small bug in this application. After you finish your registration, it doesn't show that your sign up is completed. So what you need to do is simply minimize this application. Okay, then you go to your email ID. There you will see one email has already been sent to your email account. Here you can see verify account option. and make sure this email id, it should whatever the email id that you enter, it should be present in your phone, or it should be present with you, so that you can go and verify your account. So click on verify option once you open this email. After you click on verification, you will see congratulations, you have successfully registered. After you get this message, you know that your account has already been created. So go to login option here. After you click on login option, just enter your email id details, password, and click on login option. I will show you after logging in. So let's click on login. After clicking on login, you can see the interface right in front of your screen. What you have to do is start mining. Every day you have to open this application and click on start mining. As soon as you click on mining, an ad will pop up. You just watch this ad. After you view the advertisement, just click on close option. After you close it, you can see on the screen your mining has already been started. So right now the balance is 0.00. So do not worry, once you use my refer code, you're gonna get 2 coins as bonus. So how to get this bonus? Just click on team option. You can see in that video title my refer code is present there. So what you gonna do? So from the description or the video title, just copy my refer code and enter here. So my refer code is 63VE small k capital M capital T small w. So make sure you enter the alphabets correctly, because the alphabet in small letters needs to be in small, and alphabet in capital letter needs to be entered in capital letter. If you do not enter it proper way, it will not be accepted. So click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, an advertisement will show up. So after you view the advertisement, just click on close, and you can see that you got a pop-up message saying that congratulations, you have earned 2 SEI tokens. So click on OK, and once you go to the home screen, you can see that 2 coins have been already credited. So there is another option for earning money is by playing quiz. So to play quiz, click on start now, and here you see start quiz now option. Here once you go there, a question will pop up. Just click on the right option and submit the answer, and then you will get the coin credited to your account. So the question says, what key principle of blockchain technology does Orbaic emphasize in maintaining a decentralized networking? So let's try and see. So it's not necessary that you need to know all the questions. Sometimes you will get a wrong answer, sometimes you will get correct. Just take the opportunity and keep on playing, because once you keep on playing, you will get to know the answer, and automatically going forward you will click on the correct option. So first question was wrong. Let's see the second questions. I know the answer for this because I have recently played this. So keep on playing. So option will be C. Let's go for the answer. So as you can see, second number question is correct. So this is how you should play. Just just play and complete this quiz in order to get the coins. So another option is go to team, and here you can see there is a share option. Just share with your family and friends, and let them use your refer code, and then you can also earn bonus coins. And not only that, whoever joins under you, if they use your refer code and join under you, they would also get commission for mining every day. So friends, do not delay. It is because if you do not do this right now, you're gonna regret it later on, because this is initial coin offering. Initially, before any coin is launched to any exchanges, you can mine these coins, or you can also take part in any kind of airdrop or free coin distribution. So here is an opportunity for you. Just grab it and take the opportunity to earn free cryptocurrency without investing any money.